just have a little chat about Yamaha Tenere 700 2019, an early one, and right up to about 23 they had this LCD black and white screen, and then Yamaha and the later ones done a colour screen, but to the older bike you can fit a colour screen. So we whip this away, already done it, and it's this model here from a company called SpeedoX, and it's absolutely excellent. Let me get rid of this in a minute just in case it stops recording. Talk about this in a minute. With this unit here you can have different settings, different displays. Is it this one? And this will work with your glove on. So let's go. You can change PSI, and because there's tire pressure monitors that can show up here as well. We'll talk about that in a minute. So that's tour mode. Yeah, I need to go around again. Done that wrong. So we go back up, and then you hold this, and it'll change. Then let's get out of that. And we want the info, which would be info. This one you hold up, and that's it in like a KTM mode now. But really nice wee features in that your fuel gauge is far more bars, throttle position sensor. Right, didn't realise that'll work with the engine off. But obviously all the stuff is there, it's just in a different layout, and your ABS can be remembered, so it can. And if we go, there's another mode as well. Not concentrate too much on that because take a bit of time. So let's talk about this chap. Yeah, let's just get this back out. Wrong one, no. Nearly know how to use it. There's a counter comes up here, where it's a long press or a short press. I think I need a long press now. Yeah, right. So this chap has front and rear cameras, and I can control that camera, start and stop it. It's also telling me the battery life of that camera, which is useful. But this also has Apple CarPlay, which will need to connect. Yeah, so you can control your music stuff. Actually, I can do it from touchscreen, or I have this optional Bluetooth unit, which will let me actually go start, and which means the phone is in the tank bag, and that's where I'll use your GPS. So there is data up here from the system itself, tire pressures, engine temperature, battery voltage. Obviously that will be when the bike starts. Yep. There's the one on this, it actually displays it all the time. That's obviously the charging voltage, whereas that's showing the actual battery voltage on one of the there, 12.8. Yep, so two of them complement each other quite well, and there's a rev counter in this if you have the optional OBD too as well. So you can turn that off if you don't want it. Night time, it's basically a dash cam as well, and a radar system as well, and the rear camera. Let's see, good camera's the rear camera. The rear camera is all these lanes where if somebody's coming up the inside of you, they'll basically light up here. You get a beep as well. So I'll now do some sort of video of riding it on the road. but it's really good. So we'll sign it out at that, and in fact, let's stop it on this. So that's me signing out for now. So hope that was useful. All the best.